Welcome back to the Tracy Trendy Show, my lovelies. It's another day, it's another dollar, but it's the first ever fanning out episode of the Tracy Trendy Show. My loves, you better lock the doors. You better hide your wallets because we are fanning out. Now, you know these faces, you know these rap sheets, and you definitely know the drama behind these cast members. But what happens when these Love After Lockup cast members hit the real streets and run straight into the fans? Well, I'm going to break down the wildest, loudest, and most staged or not moments in the streets. All right? You're watching the Tracy Trendy Show. And it's time to see who's really about that lifeless role. Let's see who saw each other out in the wild. Okay? All right, first off, on the docket, we see Lizzie. Lizzie was an old school cast member. She was out here hustling her little con. Well, he was a non-con, but basically she hustled the little man. And she wasn't really feeling him, but she was feeling the money. But now Lizzie has turned over a new leaf. Someone spotted her at a water park. I think it's in Wisconsin. And she seems to have been working there because, let me see, two people had spotted her at this wilderness water park. And because what happened is Dale's, Wisconsin water park. So if you're going to be doing something in the summer, you might want to swing by Dale's, Wisconsin, and visit this wilderness water park. Yes, my loves, because that's where you're going to meet Lizzie. They said she's actually really sweet. She's going to take a picture with you too. She's going to kindly do it. I don't think she's going to even charge you. Like she charged her poor non-con Scott. She charged that man for everything. Did she even give him a little something? I don't know. But rest in peace, Scott. Next, we got one of our latest cast members, and that is JK. Someone spotted JK at the local convenience store, and he's wearing all black. He looks very somber. I'm hoping he ain't going to some funeral or anything like that. But if he is, I'm sorry for that. But yeah, he was kind enough to take a picture, even though he doesn't look like he's so happy. Next on the docket, we have Justine and her daughter. Someone caught Justine and her daughter at the dress shop. Yes, my loves. Kylie and Justine. Kylie's out here working an honest job, and Justine is just proud that that's her daughter, working at the dress shop. Hopefully, she's still in college. I think she is. She's probably just got a part time gig. Now, next on the docket, the knockout king, Kevin. Watch out. He gonna knock your puss ass out. Now, he has been kind enough to take a picture because just only take one punch. And here we have Kevin out in these streets at night too. He was kind enough to take a picture with a fan. And then next on the docket, we have Joela. Now. This looks like a little sneaky link. She doesn't know she's being photographed at the gym. Now she is on her phone texting, or maybe reading, or maybe texting, who knows? But her back is turned and she is being snapped at the gym. And then she's being photographed on the treadmill. All I can say is, Joela, you're looking good. Your hair is fine, and that's all mine, okay? My loves, next on the docket, we have one of our old school cast member, John. And John, this fan met you at Planet Comic Con in Kansas City. He still looks the same long hair, never changes. So he's easy to spot. Next, this is going back 4 years ago. This fan spotted Kevin again. This is at the height of Kevin's fame. And yeah, He's kind enough to say that same peace sign. Keeps doing that little same little pose with the fan. And this is 4 years ago. And if you notice the other shot, he did the same little peace sign pose. But hey, it's better than a punch, I guess. Now we have Shane. Shane, kind of like the mid era of Love After Lockup, mid era of the whole, you know, cast. Not the whole of the universe. The Love After Lockup universe. He's kind of in the middle of the universe. Shane, Shane. Someone says, "Ain't no way I just met Shane from Life After Lockup." So he is at a convenience store, just like JK was. Better, it's kind of like a commissary to them, And I guess he got a Red Bull or something in his hand. He is smiling and he is not in the pokey, and that's all gravy. Hey Shane, I'm waiting on that interview that you were supposed to give me. Now, moving on, we have Marcelino at the Golden Nugget. Love After Lockup season 2. Marcelino in the flesh. Now he's going back to. They've been out so many seasons, you can't really pinpoint where they began. So let's just say season 2. Marcelino at the Golden Nugget. I hope he's a gambler. He's a gambler. I hope you win. But he has a winning smile right there. So I'm going to say winner, winner, chicken dinner. Mm-hmm. And then finally, on the fanning out, we have our latest cast member, Anna Maria. Mm-hmm. Someone said they knew her in the 90s before she got all famous and bougie on the show. Oh, look at Anna Maria back in the 90s in her little pacifier. She's so cute, Anna Maria. Okay, my loves. Okay, my loves. That's how we fan out in the Love After Lockup universe and on the Tracy Trinity show. Now, whether these people gonna sign your autographs, that's kind of the thing of the past. We taking selfies, okay? And let's dodge the drama because these guys don't mind going back to the pokey. That's one thing for sure. We know that. But they're never gonna be boring. These castmates never gonna be boring. Now, just don't mess with them too much. So if they want to snap, great. Now I want to hear from you. Who is that one inmate you actually want to meet? And who would make you run the other way? Mm-hmm. Now smash the like button, subscribe for more chaos, and remember, keep fanning out. But keep it legal. No, you just catch you. I'm gonna catch you all in the comments section. I'm gonna catch you all in the comments section. You know how to hype and like and share the love, and it's not gonna end here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you who I'd like to see in live. I like to see Angela. I like to see Angela. Okay. All right. She's one of the OG originals that I would like to see. Okay, my loves, you share your thoughts. Who would you like to see? And I'm going to keep the party alive in the comments section. And you know what? I'm going to catch you all out on the flip side.